Hey everyone, welcome back into Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again after a 24-hour layover thanks to the nasty flu that's going around. It's ugly, I'll tell you. Hopefully you won't get it. As far as our weather is concerned, we're looking at colder temperatures coming in through the weekend. In fact, they are here today. We're looking at temperatures again in the single digits tomorrow. Our photograph for tonight, Carmen Leonelli has sent us one, a fire on the horizon. You can see the sunset there and then radiating almost to the top there with beautiful pink clouds and a gorgeous photograph. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to us here at photos at ktvf11.com. Our Fab Photo Calendar, we're running out of them, folks. You need to get them. You can pick them up at places like Hot Fudge and also the Kindle Auto and just many places across the interior. Go to the webcenter11.com on the computer and check it out and see where you can find one close to you. And as far as our temperatures are going, right now 15 degrees, a high today 20, the low last night 5, record high 41 in 1947, record low at 38 degrees below zero in 2011. That, of course, is the fudge pot, not the hot fudge, but you can get hot fudge there too also, I think. Sunrise and sunset about 5 hours and 32 minutes of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. And here's what's going on in our satellite and radar. A little bit of circulation moving across the Prince William Sound area into the Kenai Peninsula. Again, the Alaska Range keeping most of the moisture out, and we're not looking at much of this moving up to the north. And if it does, it's going to be very, very light flurries, if anything at all. What else is going on across the rest of the state? Well, we have rain falling over southeast Alaska, 35 degrees at Juneau, Ketchikan at 47 degrees, some showers around the Anchorage Bowl, 35 degrees, Kodiak at 43. Up and down the west coast, looking at temperatures once again around 40 degrees at Nome and a chilly 16-degree reading at Barrow. Lower 48 weather, heading over the Pacific Northwest, a few scattered showers around the Seattle area, but they're getting ready for a bigger storm moving in, and some big powerful thunderstorms rumbling across parts of Texas, while the northern plains are finally drying after things have been very wet and very snowy there. More rain falling across the Gulf Coast states, and as far as the satellite and radar, you can see the storm system moving in from the southwest. It's going to gather strength and be bringing with it severe weather, possibly tornadoes and damaging winds. More activity moving across the Great Lakes with a satellite picture showing some showers there, and the new system moving in on the Pacific Northwest. And the overall outlook for the storm situation Friday through Friday night is calling for heavy rain moving across the Seattle area into parts of western California, and then moving into the Rockies. Jet stream once again calling for a lot of activity because of this jet stream takes it to drive down to the south. It will help to bring some of that colder air once again clashing with the warmer humid air and bringing more thunderstorm activity. Some of it could be severe over the deep south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern section, skies will be mostly cloudy, or mostly clear for Barrow and Fort Yukon also at Nome. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at snow showers possible at Delta, otherwise Fairbanks and Healy will be partly cloudy. To the southeast, again, more rain for Juneau. Wind and rain also expected for Ketchikan. While over to the southwest, rain for Cold Bay and rain becomes showers in the Kodiak region with partly sunny skies for Bethel. And to the interior or southern sections, if you're heading on down the Anchorage area, mostly cloudy for Anchorage, mixed showers for Homer and Valdez. Well, time once again for our kids' weather. We weren't here last night because I wasn't here, but we're going to give you a chance to see the teacher that we talked with at Joy Elementary School presenting this weather fact.
Hello, I'm Mr. Hoy, and this is my third grade class here at Joy Elementary, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that the windiest place on Earth is Commonwealth Bay, Antarctica? For more than 100 days a year, the wind blows over 100 miles an hour.
And again, thanks to Mount McKinley for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. Next week, we'll have the kids from Ladd Elementary here with 4 more days of interesting weather facts. Okay, here's what's going on at our winter trails for Friday night. Don't feel too bad because Anchorage has no snow on the ground whatsoever. What little we do have will not allow for any real major outdoor activities going on. We're keeping our fingers crossed because maybe by Thanksgiving we'll have some accumulation of snow, but right now it doesn't look real strong for that to happen. Here's your forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy with some gusty winds in the hills, 6 degrees below zero. Tomorrow's forecast calling for only 3 degrees for the high. Considerably colder with scattered clouds, and the extended forecast, as you can see here, temperatures in the single digits all the way across the board till we get to the 5th day. Will it be 10 degrees? Overnight lows pretty consistent, 10 degrees below zero each night. The only chance of any snow shower activity will be tomorrow night or Sunday morning, and again, not expecting a whole lot from that, so all in all, pretty dry.